everybody, welcome back to Taylor's Table. I hope you're enjoying the videos, maybe even trying some of the recipes. Like I said earlier, I am not a chef. I'm just hoping to encourage all of you in the kitchen, especially during these really crazy times where we're all forced to cook most of our meals from home. Hopefully these recipes are giving you guys some new ideas. Today, I have another new recipe for you. It's simple, it's really savory, and it's incredible for leftovers. Let's get started. Today, we are making green chili. It's one of my favorites. It's so good for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, really. So I'm gonna start you off with the chili and what you'll need for that. So first, I chopped 3 pasilla peppers just in half, and then I completely de-seeded them. Next, I have 8 tomatillos, so I just peeled off the skin and rinsed these. Next, you're gonna need 4 to 5, actually more likely 3 serrano peppers. This is really your spice level, so you can take it up or take it down to your liking. We're gonna need about 2/3 of an onion, 5 garlic cloves, ground cumin, and cornstarch. To get your green chili going, you wanna have a pot of boiling water first, and we're gonna boil our chilies first. They're gonna take the longest to boil. So we just want them softened and into a slightly softer green color, and then we'll put our tomatillos in towards the end. While the chilies are boiling, let's get started on our meat. So I've already cubed, this is 4 pork loin chops. You can use shoulder if you want something a little softer. This is just a little leaner. So I'm gonna start with some olive oil in my pan. And then I'm just gonna pour all of my pork chops in here. And then we just wanna season it with a little garlic, salt, and black pepper. And then we're just gonna cook these on the stove until they're all the way cooked through. Come back here with me, we'll get started cooking on this and we'll check on our chilies. Our meat is about halfway done cooking, and I think our chilies are about ready. If you come this way, see how the serranos are just slightly different color? They've lightened up a little bit. That's what we're looking for, so you just want them a little bit soft. I'm gonna grab our tomatillos. As carefully as possible, drop your tomatillos in. They only need a few minutes. They cook pretty quickly. As you can see, all of the chilies have turned the exact color that I'm looking for, so it's time to head back to my table. Let's put together the green chili, but first, one ingredient I forgot to tell you guys about, chicken bouillon. We will be using this instead of salt. So I'm gonna split this up in half because I don't think everything's gonna fit in the blender. So we are just going to put our pasilla peppers. I'm gonna start really light with the serranos because you can always add. So I'm only gonna put 2 in there, which might even be enough for the entire recipe. And then I'm gonna put in my tomatillos. As you can see, they change color. Okay, next we'll put in half of the amount of garlic cloves in there, half of our onion. And then I made a cornstarch mixture, so it's just 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water, and I'm just gonna pour half in there. That's half. Next, I'm gonna throw in our chicken bouillon, so we'll do about 2 tablespoons. Then we'll do half a teaspoon of cumin. That's half a teaspoon. Then I'm gonna take 1 cup of the water that we had our chilies boiling in. And then we just blend it all together. It's so simple. Steamy. Okay. Wow, it smells so good. I'm just gonna give it a little taste for spice. That's spicy. Okay, we might need to chill out on our serrano peppers. 2 might be enough. Let's go make our other batch. Our meat is all the way cooked. I'm gonna pour our green chili over it, let it simmer for just a little bit, and we're ready to go. When you put the cornstarch mixture on the stovetop, that's when you'll really see it working to thicken the sauce. So that's what we're seeing right now. So our green chili is really just coming together as a thick sauce. Our green chili is all ready to go. Let's go get it on a plate. All we gotta do is scoop out our green chili. My gosh, if you guys could smell this, it smells so good. This would be delicious over some rice and beans. And that, my friends, is our green chili. As always, I would like to invite my trusty taste tester over here to let me know what he really thinks about my food.
Can't believe you let me back onto the show. Actually, before I start, she told me not to do this, but we're in quarantine. Yes,
Oh
absolutely yes.
We've lost it.
I had to get my trusty cowboy hat. Okay, now can I taste?
Yes.
I'm gonna start with just the green chili first. This is bomb. I can taste all the different chilies that are in there. Tomatillos, the serranos, not too spicy.
Woo!
It's perfect though. I'm gonna move on to the meat.
You guys, this is one of my favorites to make because it's really good for all leftovers, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This in the morning over eggs.
Which I've had many times. I just tried the meat. The meat's great, a little bit crispy on the outside, but cooked all the way through. It's perfect with the green chili.
Hey,
thank you.
I'm so happy you love it. All right, you guys, I hope you tried this one out. Thank you so much for joining me again at Taylor's Table. I will see you next time.
Now I'm gonna keep eating.